If you're looking for a new travel backpack, I want to highlight some of the best deals I've found on my favorite brands so you can take advantage of those juicy Black Friday sales. There's a lot of sales going on out there in the world, so instead of blasting you with everything that's available, I've narrowed down my list to about 12 brands that I really like that I think are offering some great deals. And if you like the bags I'm showing you, I hope you consider supporting my channel by using the affiliate links that I'm providing in the description below. I don't do sponsored ads on this channel, and I don't take money from companies to feature their bag in the videos that I show you, so your support really helps to keep this channel going. So jumping right into the sales with one of the best deals that I've seen so far, TomTalk Navigator 40. This is selling at 35% off. You can pick this up from either their website or on Amazon. This thing is often on sale, but it's the cheapest I've seen it now. It's under $65. Great minimalist duffel, holds a ton of gear, and really good quality for the price. REI is always a good place to look for deals. They sell a lot of gear on their site, but there's two REI branded bags that I really like. The Big Haul 40, this is packable, simple, durable. This thing is on sale for 30% off right now. The Ruck Packs are on sale. These are minimalist top-loading bags, all about 30% off. They're already pretty reasonable in price. This is the smaller 30-liter size. This thing is selling for about $76. The current sale only goes through November 25th, but keep an eye out for more deals next week. Osprey is offering 25% off many travel bags on their site. Unfortunately, the 26.6 expandable and the Porter aren't on that list. However, they do have both sizes of the Farpoint and the Fairview, as well as the Transporter duffel. Peak Design, great packs if you can get them on sale. They tend to be a little bit pricey when not. They're offering 20% off on their store through December 3rd. Most notably, this is the Travel Pack 30 and the Everyday Backpack Zip, which are both listed at 20% off. Another of my favorite brands, Cabin Zero, is having a sale that varies widely between model and color, but some of my favorite bags are listed on there. The Classic Pro 32, which is an upgrade to the Military 28, 20% off, and the ADV Pro 32 is also listed at 25% off. This bag is just $90. A new brand for me is Alpaca. They make some really great gear. I've really been liking the Metro backpack, really simple design with a ton of capacity. This is listed at 25% off right now, as well as the full-featured Elements travel backpack listed at 20% off. Thule, a brand that makes surprisingly good travel backpacks and cubes. This Ion 28 is a bag I took to Argentina 2 years ago, listed at 25% off on both REI and their website. Great organization, and I love the waxed canvas fabric. Next, Sea Tactical is having a sale on bags that are already a great deal. The CT21 version 3. It's a heavy yet durable everyday carry or rucking pack. It's listed at 15% off, bringing this bag down to $72.25. This is a great price for a bag that is already cheap for the quality, but remember, you do have to pay extra for shipping. Next, Mystery Ranch is offering 25% off on most of their store. This brand makes a lot of really good everyday carry, travel, and hiking backpacks. Like the District 24, great little everyday carry or travel backpack. This is 25% off, running about $127. Travel bags like the Mission Rover 30. I took this to Ecuador a few years ago. This thing is also running at 25% off. Packed is a new brand I tested this year. They make a couple of really good over-the-shoulder carry travel bags. Not the best deal I have here, but they're offering 15% off most of their store, including the one clamshell-style travel backpack, as well as the 25-liter duffel. The last brand I have here is Timbuk2, a company I haven't shown you a lot, but has some really great designs. For example, the Wingman, good quality, large capacity duffel bag, as well as the Never Check. This is a smaller personal item size bag. These are both listed at 20% off. So that's all the Black Friday deals I have to show you right now. Keep in mind, it's still early in the season and there's a lot of brands that probably haven't dropped their sales yet. For example, Air usually has a 20% off sale. It's not live yet. And if you know of any brands that are having some really great deals that I didn't mention, please post it in the description below so everybody can know about them. And again, thanks for watching.